Okay, boys and girls, now we are looking onto the pattern. If you need help with how I got my number grid to look like this and so colorful, then I want you to go ahead and watch the help video down here. That will help you, give you exactly and tell you exactly how I got my number grid to look like this. Okay, now we're gonna move on to finding the patterns. So there's quite a few patterns that I noticed. First of all, I use full and complete sentences because I'm a really good second grader. And it says, I noticed that there's always a 5 or a 0 in the ones place. So let's look. 25, there's a 5. 50, there's a 0 in the ones place. 75 has a 5. 100 has a 0. 125 has a 5. I noticed that the 5 and 0s always take turns being in the ones place, right? So it always swaps back and forth. And I noticed that there's a 2, 5, or 7 in the tens place a lot. So 25 has a 2, 50 has a 5, 75 has a 7, and then we go on to 100, we get into our new place value. Then 125, I have that 2 again. 150, I have that 5 again. 175, I have that 7 again. Okay? Now down here, so we have to watch this video to be able to complete this whole worksheet. Now I want you to skip count by 25s on the bottom. So 25, 50, 75, what comes next? 100, 125, 150, 175, 200. So you should know exactly how to do this based on coloring in this chart, right? So we have that 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. We have that 2, 5, 7, change. 2, 5, 7, change. Okay? This is what I want you to really start to notice in finding these patterns. Good luck.